Come on, Bree, we gotta make this quick. Bree, come on. Bree. I love you. Thank you. Go.